Low or ground level shots are one of my favourite things to capture. Be it the forest floor or a tabletop, shots this low down add a lot of depth and detail that makes for much more engaging storytelling. Take this shot of a broken cup. Now compare it to the same subject, but taken from higher up. Same camera, lighting, and settings. Capturing these shots has been a unique challenge for me in the past. My usual process involves piling up rocks and rubbish to get the camera roughly where I want it, and this got old a long time ago. I considered commercial options, but not only are they expensive, they don't really get that low down. I raised my camera to around the height that would be added by these solutions, and you can see clearly why I might prefer to shoot as close to the ground as possible. I've had a solution in mind for some time, and after a particularly frustrating shooting session, I finally got around to making it. The design is made of only a few parts, and for a change, no concrete. After some gentle support removal, I pressed some hardware into a few different parts. Towards the front, these two blocks are then bolted in place. In the rear, a foot is also secured using a rubber O-ring and a length of threaded rod. Two lengths of rod, or in my case bolts, are installed in the front, and just like that, it's ready to use. I'm pretty proud of this design, and I feel I've put a lot of thought into making it as useful as possible. I went to an old dump for testing, trying the camera out on many different piles of rubbish. Of course, its most simple function is simply to level the camera on rough terrain.
Ooh, sorry, buddy. Oh, I feel bad. Lizard jump scare. I'm gonna let him get back into his position and go look somewhere else, maybe.
Its small footprint meant that I could put it inside of small spaces where I couldn't fit a tripod. The front and the back are rounded, allowing it to tilt either up or down. I found this especially helpful when filming objects on a table or bench. Because of its low center of gravity, it's also able to sit on steep surfaces that a tripod would have no chance at standing up on. With the rear leg, it can even be pointed almost vertically up the side of things for some unique perspectives. Overall, it's a simple bit of kit that I'm thrilled to finally have actualized. Projects that actually solve problems I've been having are always the most satisfying. Thank you to my patrons, and to you, as always, for watching.